Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, my today's topic is work. It is for class 9th, subject is physics. So what is work? So in physics, work is done when a force produces motion. यानी हम वर्क कहेंगे जब हम किसी ऑब्जेक्ट पर फोर्स अप्लाई करेंगे, वो ऑब्जेक्ट अपनी पोजीशन चेंज करेगा, देन वर्क इज सेड टू बी डन. फॉर एग्जांपल, व्हेन एन इंजन मूव्स अ ट्रेन along a railway line, it is said to be doing work. A horse pulling the cart is also doing work. A man climbing the stairs of a house is also doing work in moving himself against the force of gravity. यानी जब एक ट्रेन चलती है तो हम कहेंगे इट इज़ वर्क इज़ डन, वर्क इज़ सेड टू बी डूइंग. या हॉर्स पुलिंग ए कॉट, इट इज़ आल्सो डूइंग वर्क. या मैन जब अपने जो मकान में होता है वो अगर क्लाइंबिंग द स्टेयर्स, जो सीढ़ी पर चढ़ता है, सो दैट इज़ आल्सो वर्क. सो इसमें हम कहेंगे कि फिजिक्स में कि वर्क इज़ डन व्हेन ए फोर्स प्रोड्यूसेस मोशन. The work done by a force on a body depends on two factors. First one is magnitude of the force and second is distance through which the body moves. So we can define work as work done in moving a body is equal to the product of force exerted on the body and the distance moved by the body in the direction of force. We can say work is equal to force into distance moved in the direction of force, or work is equal to force into distance. If a force F acts on a body and moves a distance S in its own direction, then work done is force into distance. Or work done, we represent it by W, force, F, distance S. So now the units of work. As work is the product of force and distance, the unit of force is Newton and the unit of distance is meter. So the unit of work is Newton meter, which is written as Nm. And this unit of work is called joule. Now the SI unit, if we write here the SI unit of work, then the SI unit of work is joule. So what is joule? It is the SI unit of work. So work is measured in joules. When a force of 1 Newton moves a body through a distance of 1 meter in its own direction, then the work done is known as 1 joule. यानी हम कहेंगे what is 1 joule? 1 joule is called, that means when we apply the force, it is 1 Newton and the object moves a distance of 1 meter, then it is called the 1 joule of work. The condition for a force to do work is that it should produce motion in an object. That is, it should make the object to move through some distance. If, however, the distance moved is 0, then the work done on the object is always 0. For example, a man may get completely exhausted in trying to push a stationary wall, but since there is no displacement, the wall does not move, the work done by the man on the wall is 0. जैसे a man वो पुश करेगा एक वॉल को, लेकिन वॉल अपनी जगह से नहीं हिलेगा, तो हम कहेंगे कि वर्क डन इज़ 0, क्योंकि ये जो वॉल है इसने अपनी पोजीशन चेंज नहीं की. Now the work done against gravity. क्योंकि ग्रेविटी जो है, द फोर्स ऑफ ग्रेविटी ऑफ अर्थ pulls everything towards the surface of the earth. So whenever work is done against gravity, the amount of work done is equal to the product of weight of the body and the vertical distance through which the body is lifted. So work done in lifting a body is equal to weight of the body into vertical distance. That is W is equal to M into G into H. So W is work done, M is mass of the body, G is acceleration due to gravity, H is height.